Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a lab. This is a demo that we normally do in class, but I'm going to have my at-home class. This is Aubrey in the middle, she's my oldest, and this is Charlotte over here. Will you look at the camera for a second? No. And then this is Mikey down here. Look over there and say hi.
Hi.
Hi. And we are going to be doing a little experiment today to understand the difference between qualitative and quantitative data sets. So I want to start by going through a couple of materials that you might need. The first thing we're going to be using today is some baking soda. So this is our baking soda. This is the vinegar over here. Vinegar has a strong smell and the container was hard to pour, so I put it in another container just to make it a little easier for the kids. And then we have some cups. Technically, you would normally use Dixie cups for this, but I didn't have any Dixie cups, so I traded them out for little measuring cups. We've got some food coloring, so just kind of for the fun of it. And then we have our Ziploc bags, which are all the things that we need in order to do our experiment. So if we look at the experiment, it says to start by putting some baking soda at the bottom of a plastic sandwich bag. So I'm going to let you guys do this, and while you guys are doing this, you're going to each take 2 spoonfuls of this baking soda and put it in your sandwich bag. Can you put the bag on the table so that people can see what you're doing? I'll hold it for you. Yep.
I think Mikey might need a bit of help.
He might, I know. Big heaping, it says heaping, so you can do a big scoop. While we're doing this, so this is just regular baking soda from the kitchen.
Mommy.
Yes?
I'm bored of myself.
Okay. This is regular baking soda from our kitchen. It doesn't matter how much you put in there. So more is better because big reactions are more fun than small reactions, right guys? No, I mean, sure. I think you have enough. Okay. And then Mikey, you're going to do your 2 scoops. Girls, can you please quickly just describe the baking soda to me? We're going to use our 5 senses. So I'm going to hold this up for just a second so you guys can see. Our 5 senses over here tell us that we can taste, see, touch, hear, smell. Is that all of them? Don't taste it. Why don't we taste chemicals?
Poison.
It could be poison, right? Who knows what's in there? Now in this case it's baking soda, it won't hurt you, but in general, in science lab, we don't taste our chemicals. Go ahead and put 2 scoops in, Mikey. Big as you can. In general, we don't taste our chemicals just because, you never know if they're good. Oopsies.
It's alright.
Or bad for you. It's fine, we'll just leave the mess there. We'll clean it up later. I'll do that one for you and you can try one more, okay? Here, we'll do it this way so hopefully you don't get Aubrey this time. Okay, put it in, quick. Okay, great.
Can I scoop this into my bag?
Sure. Okay, so baking soda is done. The next step is that we're gonna get our vinegar.
Oh, can I have half of it?
So for the vinegar, we're just gonna fill one of these Dixie cups full of vinegar, and then we're gonna pick which food coloring they want to use. So the kids are all excited about choosing their colors. That might be true for you guys too. We are gonna start. I'm gonna pour the vinegar for you guys because I don't want it everywhere. And I'm gonna pour 3 cups full of vinegar. Now, can you guys tell me, does your baking soda smell like anything? Smell your bag. Does it smell like anything?
No.
No? What does it look like?
It looks like a layer of fluffy snow.
Okay, a layer of fluffy snow. We're not going to taste it. We smelled it. Can you hear anything? Listen to it. Can you hear anything? No? And then feel it.
Feels kind of chalky.
You should feel it from the outside, because what if it was a dangerous chemical? So we're going to feel it from the outside. And it feels kind of chalky, powdery, right? Okay, so now, next thing, I want you guys to tell me what color the food coloring is. Or, sorry, the vinegar is.
Clear.
Clear, okay. And does it smell? Smell it.
Oh,
Okay, hold on.
it smells gross.
It smells gross?
It smells gross.
Is that gross? Charlotte, do you think it's gross?
Nope.
You think it smells good, huh? I know, I like vinegar smell too. It definitely smells vinegary. The correct term for how this smells is sour. It has a sour smell for it. Stop. Okay, so now we're going to take our food coloring and you're gonna put, it says No, you're gonna put 1 to 2 drops of food coloring in your vinegar. So you can do 2 drops of the same color, or 1 drop of 2 different colors. Good, and then just leave it like that. You don't have to mix it up or anything. Oh, you know what we didn't do? We didn't feel the vinegar. Can you guys feel the outside of this container?
Kind of cold, kind of warm.
Kind of cold, kind of warm. True,
Yeah.
true fact. Okay.
Can I open it?
Yeah, go ahead
It's
and open
definitely
it.
not warm.
Okay,
And then
put it in there. 2 drops. Keep squeezing. You got it? 1. Oh, there we go. That'll be enough. Yeah, that's fine.
And then I can mix it up.
No, we're just gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, so now this is the trickiest part. This is the part that my students always mess up, and I am very sure that my kids are going to as well. I'm just gonna show you what we do.
So can I?
Nope, don't touch yet. You are gonna take your plastic bag and you're gonna set it on the table, and you're gonna very carefully put your vinegar cup in there, but without spilling any of the vinegar. You see how tricky that's gonna be to try to get it in there without spilling it? So I'm gonna help each one of you, and then we are going to take a measurement of how much it weighs. So we're gonna be putting the vinegar in the Dixie cups. Let me help you, let me help each one of you. We're gonna put it in the Dixie cup, and we'll do it, how about on the scale? So let's get the scale on so we can take our measurement. It's gonna give us a 0 here pretty soon. Okay, good. And so I can put this on, and I can put this in so carefully down in there like that. And then I'm gonna seal it. I'm gonna help Mikey with his, and try to get all of the air out so that it looks like a flat bag. Okay. And it tells me that this weighs 76 grams. Can you please put that on the weight before for me? So under Mikey, 76 grams, yeah. Okay, so go ahead and do that. And then Mikey, we're gonna put this, I'm gonna take this off, and we're just gonna leave it sitting right here, okay?
Wow, 76G.
76G, okay, and I'm just gonna take a second and I'm gonna show the bag. And this is our bag, this is what it looks like, and you can see that there's very little air in it. Okay, we've tried to make it as flat as possible. So now we're gonna do the same thing for each of the girls. So I'm gonna help them with that. Let's get this back in. Okay, everyone has their bag. And now you're just gonna shake it. Go ahead and shake it up, all right? Nope, shake it, spill it out. Shake it up. Yep, flip it over, Mikey, shake it, shake it. Tell me what it looks like. Use your senses.
It looks like bubbles.
It looks like bubbles?
It looks like a Slurpee.
Yeah, like a Slurpee.
It's filling up.
How does it feel? Feel it. Feel the bottom.
Compressed.
Oh, this is open somehow.
It looks cold.
Yeah.
It
Feel the
feels
bottom.
kind of fizzy.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, you can hear it.
So you can see it? What color is it?
It's blue. Green.
What color is yours, Mikey?
Are they going to explode?
Orange.
Will they explode?
Yes. No, don't, not by my computer. Leave it back here. It can explode. No, it's okay. It's just gonna pop, right? Why would it pop? What's it filling with? What do you think?
It's filling with acid,
No.
air,
Almost. What? Well, yes.
oxygen. Can I pop it?
Not oxygen. Oh, what is oxygen and what is
I want to
air?
pop it.
What state of matter is that?
So can we get the
Gas.
cable?
It's filling with
Can I
gas.
use-
Yeah, it's still going. Okay, so before they pop, let's go ahead and weigh each one. So is the scale on? Yeah, so leave it there and let go. Or Charlotte, how much does that weigh?
76.
Oh, just like before. Okay, so put 76 on there. Okay, and now Aubrey, weigh yours.
75.
75. Did you feel like it maybe leaked some air? Was it fuller before? Okay, and Charlotte, why don't you weigh yours?
91.
91. That's the same. Interesting. Okay. So 91 goes there.
Mommy, can I pop it?
Okay, so now you guys can go ahead and open it, but when you open it, I want you to check for the smell as well. Okay? So you open it.
Will it pop?
No, just open the top and see what it smells like.
Like fingernail polish.
Like fingernail polish?
Yummy.
Okay, go ahead. Smell it. How does it smell? Does it smell good?
Can I pour?
Does it still smell like vinegar? Yeah, it does. Does it smell the same as it did before?
Mommy, can we pour it?
We gotta just do one more weigh. So let's weigh your bag, Mikey.
And then,
This bag weighs 76, so go ahead and put Mikey's bag down as 76.
Mommy, so
Yep.
can we just do it over and over again?
Let's weigh Aubrey's 75. And Charlotte 91. So did the weight change of your bags at all?
Not for Mikey and not for Charlotte, but for me, yes.
Do you think maybe you just made a mistake the first time you weighed it?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. So for you guys at home, this is our final tally of our values because we're going to be talking about that in class. Bless you, Mikey. I hope you don't have coronavirus, do you?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't have the virus? Just a sneeze.
Could
All right.
Just this up.
I will in just a second. So let me
Wait,
zip it for
Mommy.
you. Hey, wait, before you ask me any more questions, can you say goodbye to my classes?
Bye!
It was really fun doing some science with you
Can I
guys.
take it more?